Alright, so this is Honey's first real deer recovery, and we're still, she is figuring it out, and we're on a blood trail right now. Oh. Good girl. It looks like there's a little speck of blood right there on that leaf. Oh, she's still on the trail. Come on, honey. Oh, this dang leash is getting tangled up. Okay, I actually see the deer up ahead, so this will be her first time interacting with a real deer. Let's see how she does. What'd you find? I think she's a little bit worried. Honey, what'd you find? Good girl. Good girl. She's got it over here. Yeah. Good girl. What'd you find? What'd you find? What'd you find? What'd you find? Good girl. Good girl. What did you find?
Honey boo boo.
Good girl.
Okay,
Good girl. Good girl.
Did she do good after she
Good
got
girl. Oh yeah. Good girl. She stuck right on it.
Good.
The only hard part was weaving through all these trees here with leash on. So.
Yeah, it's thick stuff.
Yep. Nice little buck for her first recovery.
There you go. Yeah. Good job, honey boo boo.
Congratulations.